Kung ka magkanunigi ko sa usurpation?
Usurpation?
Oo.
Si...
Isa pa. Isa pa, Ruben Padilla, papriso na to.
May kaso ng Ruben Padilla nga.
Ito. Kaya pa, sige pa. Bunggo pa de.
Bunggo.
Bunggo. Oo. So, pila na lang. Matatalag 18.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to the clubhouse. I've got a big surprise for you.
Disney Junior's Mickey Mouse Clubhouse Plus.
I can't wait to see ya.
Monday mornings on Disney Channel.
I think I'm more of a land mammal. Brace for impact! Whoa.
If we're going into that jungle, we need to suit up for the job. Whatever this island throws at us, we'll be prepared.
We are so not prepared! Run! I am running! I'm a bulldog! This is as fast as I can go!
This summer,
Dino Island is the greatest discovery in the world.
I'm Rex. Why don't you let me show you around? Yeah! Welcome to my home sweet home. Whoa! It doesn't have a big screen TV or Wi-Fi.
Ah,
That's just my iCloud. He's always watching.
This island has the biggest diamond mine in the world.
come here, beautiful.
When in doubt, we blast it!
That's a volcano!
you're going to destroy the island.
We need all the help we can get!
Witness a big screen event
Stay cool, little doggy.
of prehistoric proportions.
We've got an island saved. Who's with us? What was that? It's my stomach. Those baby dinosaurs ate all my pup treats. Oh, come on!
No dino's too big, no pup's too small.
I can do this.
Paw Patrol, the Dino Movie.
No fair! I want a dinosaur BFF. Best friends forever. Oh, ow, 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 ow. Ah, okay, stop, never mind.
Ang mga tinututukang balita at istorya sa #1 newscast sa bansa. Hatid ng dekalibreng anchors at hosts ng GMA Integrated News. Mel Tiangco, Vicky Morales, Emil Sumangil. Kasama sina Iya, Kuya Kim, Martin, at ang buong puwersa ng GMA Integrated News. Team 24 Oras. Reporting for duty. Weeknight, 6:30 p.m.
The lady that you see talking on TV is not my sister.
Ito ang reaksyon ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos
And
nang
that
tanungin
is-
siya
that-
tungkol sa pahayag ng kanyang kapatid na si Senadora Amy Marcos sa rally ng Iglesia ni Cristo noong nakaraang Lunes.
Batid ko na nagda-drug siya.
Bukod sa Pangulo, idinawit din ng Senadora si First Lady Liza Araneta Marcos at kanilang mga anak.
How do you respond to the drug use accusations made by no less than your sister, Senator Amy Marcos, against you and the First Family? Sir, were you hurt by her accusations, and how do you explain these claims to the public?
It's anathema to me to talk about family matters generally in public. I do not like to. We do not like to show our dirty linen in public. I'll just say this much. For a while now, we've been very worried about my sister. When I say we, I'm talking about friends and family. And the reason that is because the lady that you see talking on TV is not my sister. And that view is shared by our cousins, our friends. Hindi siya yan. Hindi siya yan. So that's why we worry. So we are very worried about her. I hope she feels better soon.
Hindi na nabigyan pa ng pagkakataon ng media na malinaw kung anong ibig sabihin ng Pangulo sa pahayag na ito. Ilang minuto lang matapos itong sabihin ng Pangulo, agad sumagot si Senadora Amy sa kanyang social media account. Sabi niya, siya raw ito, sabay hirit na kung ano-ano nang nakikita ng kanyang ading o nakababatang kapatid sa Ilocano. Sabi pa ng Senadora, patunayang mali siya at gusto raw niyang mali siya. Nang tanungin kung nagkausap na sila magkapatid, sinabi ng Pangulo na magkaiba na raw sila ng ginagalawang mundo, political man o personal. May hamon naman ang Pangulo kay dating Congressman Zaldico na nagdawit sa kanya sa anomalya sa flood control projects. Bago humarap ang Pangulo sa press conference ngayong hapon, naglabas ng video si Zaldico na nagdedetalye na mga delivery ng bilyong pisong naging parte umano ng Pangulo sa anomalya.
Mahaba nang naging mga usapan natin tungkol sa fake news. Anyone can go online and make all kinds of claims and say all kinds of things. Paulit-ulit. But it means nothing. For it to mean something, umuwi siya rito. Harapin niya yung mga kaso niya. Ako, hindi ako nagtatago. Kung meron kang akusasyon sa akin, nandito ako.
Naging matipid naman ang sagot ng Pangulo nang tanungin kung bakit pinag-resign sa kanyang gabinete sina dating Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin at dating Budget Secretary Amenah Pangandaman. Nilimitahan ang mga tanong sa Pangulo at hindi pinayagan ng mga follow-up question.
The question about Chief Luke and myself, wala, nag-uusap na kami. And we understand each other and we decided to keep it between ourselves. There's no bad blood. She set me na because her name was dragged into the whole thing. We want to be sure that she's not in a position where she might be suspected of influencing all that.
Nagpatawag ng press conference sa Pangulo para ipagmalaki ang transparency portal ng DPWH na kanilang inilunsad. Sa pamagitan nito, pwedeng hanapin ang alinmang proyekto ng kagawaran. Makikita rin kung kanino ang proyekto, sino ang kontraktor, magkano ang halaga, at kung ito ba'y tapos na. May mga larawan din ng proyekto makikita, kuha ng satellite imaging. Hakbang daw ito para sa transparency sa mga proyekto ng gobyerno at bunga ng mga natututunan sa investigasyon sa maanomalyang flood control project. Para sa GMA Integrated News, Ivan Mayrina, nakatutok, 24 oras.